Hello students, we are solving examples on proper rational function, and in the last lecture we have completed this first type where the denominator is non-repeated linear factor. Today we are going to solve this second and this third type. In the second type the denominator is repeated linear factors, and in the third type denominator is linear factor as well as quadratic factor. So let's solve that. This is our first example, and as usual our first step is let I is equal to integration of this function. Check the integrand. Here we can observe x plus 1 bracket square means repeated linear factor, and this is linear factor. So again we can write this integrand as, here we will write first x plus 1, then here x plus 1 bracket square, and then we will write this linear factor x plus 3, and then we will find constants a, b and c. Now here I want to make denominator of this is this, and therefore we will multiply a by x plus 1 and then x plus 3. Then we will multiply b, this already there, check now, we will multiply by this x plus 3, and to c, check now this bracket is present, so we will multiply by this, and this is the same denominator. Again check, this same denominator get cancelled, and so this is equal to this. Say this is equation number 1, and now we will find the value of this constant. First we will find out what is value of b. For that we have to substitute this x plus 1 equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to minus 1. We will substitute here 3 into minus 1 and then minus 2. This is equal to, this bracket is 0, so we will write 0 b, and x is minus 1, so minus 1 plus 3 is 2, and again this bracket is 0, and so directly the value of b is, look here, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, and we will again move this to that side in the denominator, so b equal to minus 5 by 2. Now we will find c, so for that we have to put this bracket x plus 3 equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to minus 3. We will substitute here, and therefore by 1, this is minus 9 minus 2, this is equal to, this bracket equal to 0, so here 0, this also 0, and c, and here minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 bracket square, and so value of c is minus 9 minus 2 minus 11, and minus 2 square is 4, so minus 11 upon 4 is the value of c. Now, and to find the value of a, we will substitute x equal to 0. So here put x equal to 0, and therefore if x is 0, here left hand side is minus 2, and that is equal to a in bracket x is 0, so this is simply 1, and this is simply 3, simply c. So again we will substitute b and c from this. So multiplying inside, 3 5s are minus 15, and move these two terms to the left hand side. Therefore 3a is equal to this minus 2, and by making denominator 4, we have 3a is equal to minus 8 plus 15 2s are 30, then 11 upon 4, and simplification of this is 33 upon 4, and again we will move this 3 that side, so dividing by 33, a is equal to 11 upon 4. Now here we will substitute values of these three constants, and we will write this integration symbol separate also, and c is minus 11 upon 4, So now 11 upon 4 we will take outside, and its answer we know, which is log of mod of x plus 1. And here we will take this constant outside, and we will keep this as ax plus b raised to n. So its index will become minus 2 dx, and this minus 11 upon 4 and this integration. Its answer is, we know, log of mod of x plus 1. Then here minus 5 by 2. Now we know the formula, and its answer is ax plus b raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So we will use here, and so here minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1, and again multiply by 1 upon a, coefficient is 1, and minus 11 upon 4. Its answer is log of mod of x plus 3 and plus c. So again this term as it is. Now look here, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1 into this is plus 5 upon 2, and here x plus 1 raised to minus 1. Minus 1 we will write here in the denominator, which is simply x plus 1, and this term as it is, and plus c. Or again this can be written as 11 upon 4. This is common from these two, and there is subtraction, check here. So we will write log of mod of first x plus 1 upon this is x plus 3, and this term as it is, and plus c is the final answer. This is our second example, and again our first step is, let I is equal to integration of this function, and again this integrand is in the form a cube minus b cube. We will factorize this. So by using this formula we will write its factors as 1 upon here x minus 1, then here x square, then multiplication of two terms, so plus x, and plus 1 square means 1, and dx. Now check the denominator. Here this is linear factor and this is quadratic factor, so this is of third type. So again we will express this integrand as, here we are writing first factor, so a upon x minus 1, and here we are writing bx plus c, and then we are writing this quadratic factor x square plus x plus 1. And now directly by cross multiplication we will write, we know this denominator gets cancelled, and so 1 is equal to a in bracket this, and then bx plus c, and here we will write. Now solve this bracket, and so we have ax square plus ax plus a, then solve this again, bx square minus bx, then multiply by c. Now collect square terms, so we have, and here x square. Now collect x term, so these are 3, and constant terms this and this, so here a minus c. Now in this equation we will put this x minus 1 equal to 0, then we will get the value of a, and therefore x is equal to 1. Now we will substitute this value here, so LHS is 1, and here in the right hand side a, 1 square means 1, then plus 1 and again plus 1, and since this bracket is 0, here we will write 0, and therefore a is equal to this 1 upon 3. Again in this equation we will substitute this x equal to 0, so put x equal to 0, so again we have 1 is equal to a. Now here x is 0, so we will write simply 1, and here c, and then here 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and then substitute a is 1 upon 3, so here 1 upon 3 minus c, and therefore move this c this side, and 1 upon 3 minus 1, which is 3. So we have two values now. And look, now to find the value of a, we will compare coefficients of left hand side and right hand side. Check here, x square term is absent, so here coefficient of x square is 0, and therefore a plus b equal to 0. Your value of a is 1 upon 3, so substitute here, and therefore b equal to minus 1 upon 3, and substituting these constants here we get, and here minus 1 upon 3x, and then minus 2 upon 3, and then this denominator, and again in the next step we will take this 1 upon 3 out of integration symbol, and from this numerator we will take minus 1 upon 3 common, and so again we have here x, we have taken minus out, so here plus 2 upon this denominator. Now look here, we know its answer, log of mod of x minus 1, but here this is in the form px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c. So we have to solve again separately. So we will consider this integral as I1. Here I am writing I1 and say this is equation number 1, and we will solve separately I1, and then again we will substitute in this equation. To solve this I1, we will express this numerator in the form a1 into d by dx of this denominator, x square plus x plus 1 and plus b1. a1, and solve this derivative. This is 2x plus 1 and plus b1, and again we will express this as twice a1x, then a1 into 1 a1, and this is b1. Now we will compare coefficients. Here x plus 2, so coefficients of x are equal, twice a1 is equal to 1, and therefore a1 is equal to 1 upon 2, and here a1 plus b1 equal to this constant, and substitute a1 here and move this half that side, so 2 minus half is 3 by 2, so b1 is equal to 3 by 2. So again we will substitute here. So look here, instead of x plus 2 we will write this, again a1 means half, so here half, and again d by dx of, and then plus b1 which is 3 upon 2, and this is the denominator, x square plus x plus 1 into dx. Now again we will write this denominator separately for these two terms. Now look here, 3 2s are 6, so here, and then we will write this upon this, and 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 2, so these three get cancelled, and simply we will write minus 1 upon 2 and this denominator. Now look, its answer is log of mod of x minus 1, and by this corollary its answer is, check, this is function, its derivative is present upside, so its answer is log of mod of this x square plus x plus 1, and here we will write, check here, coefficient of x is 1, divide by 2, so 1 upon 2, its square is 1 upon 4, so we will add and subtract, so x square plus x plus 1 upon 4, then minus 1 upon 4, and then plus 1 into dx, and now this is a complete square. These two terms as it is we will write in the last. First we will solve this. This is minus 1 upon 2, and here x plus half bracket square, and minus 1 upon 4 plus 1, this is 3 upon 4, but we will keep this in square form, so root 3 upon 2 bracket square. into dx, and this is in the form x square plus a square, that means first integral formula. So again this first as it is, second term also as it is, and here minus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon a, means 1 upon root 3 upon 2 tan inverse of x upon a, means x plus half, and upon root 3 upon 2, and lastly plus c. So these two get cancelled. Here also we will make denominator same, and so final answer is this first term as it is, this second term as it is, and here minus 1 upon root 3 and tan inverse of, and here twice x plus 1, and then these two get cancelled, and its denominator is root 3, and then plus c is the final answer. This is our third example, and now check the degree. Degree of numerator is 3, degree of denominator is 2. So this is improper rational function. So in this case we will actually divide this numerator by this denominator. Now check here, it is 6x cube and here 3. So 3 2s are, and again we will multiply x. So by multiplying twice x to these three terms, and now after subtracting, this is minus, plus, and here plus. So this term get cancelled, and plus 5 plus 4 means 9x square, and then plus 2x, and then we will write this minus 7. Now check here, 9, here 3. So we want plus 3 x square as it is. So multiply here 3. So again after subtracting, this is minus, plus, and this plus. So this get cancelled. 6 plus 2 8x, and minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. So again we will keep this integral as, what is our formula? First we have to write quotient. So here we will write 2x plus 3, then plus, then remainder, that means 8x minus 4, and upon this divisor, and here we will write dx. Now it is easy to integrate this term and this term. This is in the form px plus q upon this, and again in the next step we will factorize this, and its factors are this. Here I am writing x minus 1, and here 3x plus 1, and here dx. Say this is equation number 1, and now I am finding integration this separately, and then again we will substitute in equation 1. So again we will write this as a upon first linear factor x minus 1, and b upon this second linear factor 3x plus 1, and after cross multiplying and deleting this denominator, we have this numerator is equal to a into this 3x plus 1 and plus b into this factor x minus 1, and if I'll put this bracket equal to 0, we will get the value of a, and therefore x is equal to 1. We will substitute here. So 8 into 1, 8 minus 4 is 4, that is equal to a, and here 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4, and again this 4 get cancelled, and therefore a is equal to 1. And to find the value of b, we will put this equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to minus 1 upon 3, and substituting this here. Check now, this bracket is 0, so here we will write 0 and then plus b, and here minus 1 upon 3, and this is minus 1, this bracket complete. Again check, 3 4s are 12, so minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 upon 3, and here b in bracket minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 upon 3. This 3 get cancelled, minus sign also get cancelled, and therefore b is equal to 4 5s are 20, so b equal to 5. Now look here, again we will write our integral 2x plus 3, and instead of this we are writing a upon x minus 1, but a is 1, so 1 upon x minus 1, and b upon second factor, so b means what, 5 upon 3x plus 1 and into dx. Now we will write this integration symbol separate. So here again 2 integration of this x dx. Here only constant, so 3 integration 1 dx. Now here integration 1 upon x minus 1 into dx, and here take this 5 out and integration 1 upon this is. Now here we will use x raised to n formula, so 2 into x square upon 2, and here this is 3x. Integration of 1 is x. Its answer is log of mod of x minus 1, and here this 5 as it is, and its answer is log of mod of 3x plus 1, and we have to divide the derivative of this, which is 3, and in the last we will write plus c. And again in the last step, this 2 get cancelled, and here we will write x square, then this term 3x, then this third term as it is, and here we will write this constant here 5 upon 3, and then we will write this and plus c. This is our final answer, and here we have completed our integration by partial fraction and our topic also, which is indefinite integration. And in the next lecture we are going to start our fourth chapter, definite integration.